Oh, no, that's not good. Let's do that again. Ah, much better. Alright, what's up guys? It's your camera boy Jonah. And today I'm in this minimalistic space where there's only black and white. And, well, kind of a coincidence, but my outfit is also black and gray. So that's why I thought, let's make today a tutorial about how to create a desaturated look. So you kind of have this only black and white and maybe some skin colors. I'm gonna actually make two. A warm one where the skin colors are still gonna be kind of like orange and natural, but the background will be desaturated. And the other one is gonna be like a bit harder desaturated vibe. And there you will have like the skin colors as well starting to fade out to like towards the white side, I would say. So make sure to subscribe because I give free presets almost every week, and I show you guys also how I made it so you can learn from them, not just like download them, put them on your photos and have a cool picture, but also learn how presets are made so you can make presets yourself. Let's jump into the computer and check what this preset is all about. So this is the first image where we will apply the preset on. And let's do the first one. So I call it desaturated warm skin. I call it this because I still wanted to keep the skin tone fairly warm and orange. We didn't do any crazy adjustments here actually, just brought the highlights down a little bit, shadows down a little bit, up the blacks, contrast 25, clarity 20. Normally I don't like to add a lot of clarity to portraits and stuff, but if I go for the desaturated look, I think it adds like a little bit more like a pop, and it really suits the image, because desaturated is always in a way kind of strongly edited, so you can also go a little bit more crazy with the clarity. And then the saturation I did +10 to give like this warmer tone to the skin tones. This is the effect of the tone curve. As you can see, that also did quite a lot. What I did here was, this is the most important thing in the RGB channel, is I upped this, which gives it kind of this faded look. As you can see now, it's not that faded anymore. Then now we have this fade here in the shadow area. Then red stays the same, green stays the same, but blue, I upped this like a little bit. As you can see, it has this bluish tone. So let's delete this. Now it's more orangey, and now it has this bluish tone, but still the skin tone still remains quite the same, but in the background, the blurry background, it adds this blue tone. Now this is the thing where it all goes down. HSL. Here you can see we had like quite a lot of colors in the background, and now most of them are gone except the red ones. That is because, so I didn't change anything in the hue, and the saturation, red, orange, yellow skin tones, I upped them all like a little bit to make the skin tones a little bit poppin'. But as you can see, the red also stays in the image, which I quite like, to be honest, to still have like some kind of color in it. But green, aqua, blue, purple, magenta is all the way down. For the luminance, I just planed her out like a little bit to edit for this picture. It's not that important. So if you want to also get rid of the red more, you can do it here. But as you can see, this does some things to the lips and so on. So I don't want to do that. Split toning, nothing going on. Detail, a little bit of sharpening. Effects, like a small vignette and some dehaze. As you can see, it is quite nice, to be honest, because the dehaze really makes the image pop more. And camera calibration, pulled the saturation down from the greens and changed the saturation from the red primary and the hue again for the skin tones. It's not a big difference, but now I will show you maybe like a little side tutorial. Let's say if you don't like this red. So we saw here in saturation, if you pull the red down, her skin tone, I don't like it anymore, especially her lips. As you can see, they have like a nice reddish color. Alright, so we want to get rid of the reds without messing up her skin tones. So we'll go with the adjustment brush. I already made one. As you tap it and you press O on your keyboard, you can see like the overlay, the areas it affects. Now we can slide down saturation until it's gone. So this is a way how you could quickly solve it if you have like a little bit of red somewhere and you don't like it. It's not the best way, I would say. It's not like super accurate, but if it's just a picture for a small size device, like for Instagram, for example Instagram, nobody will notice it. That's kind of a sloppy job. So here you go, it's a little quick tip. Now we'll apply the desaturated hard version. So this is the warm skin version, and now bam, we have the hard one. I also really like it, so let's check out this one. As you can see, in this one I dropped the shadows a lot more, which gives a darker vibe to the image, as you can see. Also the clarity is even more up than the previous one. The previous one was like something around this. Now we're here, which also makes like a nice crispy poppy look. And now the saturation is again plus 10 to kind of keep the skin tones like a little bit more warm and not like completely zombie mode. But here we put the vibrance at -23. Tone curve, again, as you can see. So we have the same bluish lift in the picture, but where it really changed is I added a point and lifted up even higher, so we have more like even more of this faded look in the shadows. HSL is the same. I think everything actually, yeah, everything is almost the same. So what happened here, I think the main things are bumping up the clarity, more black shadows, more black in the shadows, the vibrance also down, which desaturates it even more, and then more fade in the tone curve. So here you go, these are the two presets. Hope you're happy with them. Shoot some awesome pictures with them, and see you in the next one. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this preset, and make sure to subscribe, because I'll be giving presets every week, or sometimes even like 2 times a week. Also hit the like button, because it helps the video reach more people, and to be honest, free presets, something that everybody likes, and I put a lot of work in these videos, so I hope you do that. Enjoy the presets and tune in for more later. If you, by the way, like my silver rings, they're from BS Rings. The link will be in the description box below.